Hi, so I have a 2005 Ford Ranger and it's losing power, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. So I removed this piece for the air intake right from here, which I'll go over how to remove it and put it back. But what you want to do is see how much the throttle body opens once you press the accelerator. So can you go ahead and press the accelerator? Okay, so this is flooring it, and you can see it's not all the way open. All the way, can you press it all the way? And you see it's not all the way, and so basically you can test it. See, you still have this much slack. Let it go, press it again, see it's partial, and you have this much more. So anything is restricting the airflow. So I'll show you how to fix that. Okay guys, so I'll show you how to fix that issue. So this is your pedal for the accelerator, and if you crawl up underneath, you see the green thing which is holding the wire, and you see as soon as I press the pedal there shouldn't be any slack right here. So what I'm going to do is right where the slack is on top right here, I'm going to add some tie wraps and just tie it and just cut it, so that slack will be filled, and now you'll have nice and tight, and it won't be loose like this. You won't have that, and that will open up the throttle body all the way. So let me go ahead and put some tie wraps and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, so here it is. You can see I added the tie wraps. In my case it took 3. Depending on how much slack you have, you might need 2 or you might need 4. So all I'm going to do is cut the ends with the nose plier or cutter, and that should make, and you can see this thing is not moving like it was before, so there's no more slack, and now it's going to open up the throttle body all the way. Okay, so we're done with our mod, and even over here you see there's no more slack, and go ahead and press it all the way, and there you go. You can see it's nice and wide open. Let it go, do it again, there you go. That's it. Hopefully it helps you guys. Okay, so to put this thing back, it's pretty much, you can see I just put one side in, and then the other sides just slides in just fine. Just make sure there's no gaps or anything, because you don't want any air leak. And these 2 bolts needs to be tightened, and you have to make sure you connect this piece back. It just clips on one right here. So let me show you guys real quick. This piece, and if you don't connect this properly, you're gonna get some kind of error codes, so you definitely don't want that. So on this side, so to clip it in, you just lift this, and I think it's in all the way, and you just want to make sure you push it in, and then it stays in place. This is good. Once you hear the click, this part is in, and you can pull on it to make sure it doesn't come off. And this side, I already pushed it in. Just make sure there's a ring piece on top that's in there behind the green, because if it's not, then it's not in all the way, and you can get some air leaks or error codes or whatever. And once this is in, but make sure you tighten these up. And I did find some oil residue in there, which I cleaned up. A lot of people use some kind of spray, aerosol or something to clean it. I just spray it out with high pressure water hose and let it dry, so there's no water in there. Just make sure no sensors or anything is attached. There is your mass airflow sensor. There are videos to clean that as well. And that's it guys. I'm just gonna tighten these up and fire it up. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.